In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your microphone to your device and configure it to work seamlessly with Microsoft Teams. Whether you're setting up for a meeting or simply want clearer sound during calls, this guide will walk you through the entire process. First, let's start by physically connecting your microphone to your device. Most microphones will either use a USB connection or a standard 3.5mm audio jack. If you're using a USB microphone, simply plug it into an available USB port on your computer. If you have an audio jack microphone, insert it into the microphone input, which is usually indicated by a pink or red ring around the port. Make sure the connection is secure to ensure optimal sound quality. With your microphone physically connected, it's time to open Microsoft Teams. Go ahead and launch the application from your desktop or start menu. Once you're in Microsoft Teams, navigate to the upper right corner of the window where you'll see your profile icon. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, click on Devices. This is where Microsoft Teams manages all your audio and video peripherals. Under the Audio Devices section, you'll find a list of input devices. Here, you should see your microphone listed. If it's not immediately visible, ensure that your computer properly recognizes the device by checking your computer's sound settings outside of Teams. Select your microphone from this list to set it as your preferred input device. This tells Microsoft Teams to use this specific microphone for all audio input during your calls and meetings. Once selected, it's important to test and adjust the volume settings to ensure others can hear you clearly. Still within the Devices section, find the microphone setting and speak into your microphone to test its levels. You'll notice an indicator bar that moves as you speak, showing you how loud your input is. Adjust the microphone volume slider to ensure it falls within an optimal range, neither too faint nor too distorted. Now that your microphone is connected and configured, you're ready to use it in your Teams calls and meetings. As you join a call, you may see a prompt asking for permission to access your microphone. Make sure to grant this permission so that Microsoft Teams can transmit your voice. Take a few seconds before each meeting to verify that your microphone settings are still properly configured and perform a quick test, especially if you've recently updated software or changed equipment. And that's it! You're all set up with your microphone on Microsoft Teams. Following these simple steps ensures that your voice comes through crisp and clear during your calls and meetings, helping to enhance your communication experience. Remember, a properly configured microphone can make a significant difference in how effectively you convey information and collaborate with others. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.